My name is Per Lang, and I am responsible for product development here at Organic Plant Protein. I have a background as an engineer and many years hands-on experience with extrusion from the fish feed business, pet food, plastic pipes, chewing gum, and now TVP products. I was employed at the Danish Technological Institute, where we were working on a pilot scale extrusion, and had worked a couple of years with meat replacements, meat analogs, and we had a workshop a day in late 2018 where I met Ulrik Kern Hansen, who's now the founder and the owner of Organic Plant Protein. And he got very interested in this kind of products. He and his wife had a meat industry, a factory making charcuterie products, sausages, pâtés, bacon, whatever, all organic. And they want to go one step further from the organic level to a plant-based organic level. And he was ready to skip his existing company and invest in this new project. And we met after a few weeks later. We met and agreed that we should go together. He came with the money, I came with the technical knowledge. So we started to look for a building in the beginning of 2019, and found one here in Hedensted in Jutland, Denmark. I had contact with several extruder manufacturers, and when we started this product, I was quite convinced it should be Clextral because I had good contacts there, and we also had meeting with others, but I had the clear feeling that Clextral was the most flexible company to work with, and not at least they have this hydraulic opening system that was very important for us because we knew we were going to make smaller production series with frequent cleanings. So to make that as effective as possible, I saw this Clextral solution as perfect for us. When I talk to other extrusion manufacturers, I often met this attitude that you can get what we have, and it was much better with Clextral because then we could discuss solutions and we could adapt the ideas or beliefs I had about how it had to be. So in the end, I think we got a very good equipment to help us to start in a proper way. The main challenge for us is that we, due to the philosophy of the owners, only work with organic raw materials, and we are not allowed to use any kind of additives that could maybe help us create a better texture in the products. So the challenge for us has been to develop, especially as a dyes, suitable for handling or getting the best out of the protein concentrates. The market is growing from a very low level. We see about a triple of the sales every year now. And for us here in Little Denmark, we are dependent on export, and more than 70% of our sales go to export, to Germany, to Italy, Spain, France, Sweden, some overseas to Australia. We have good contacts. We've just started a dialogue with a Canadian company, and this overseas they are driven by the organic perspective and the organic product we have. We can see there's a broad interest for our products. One thing is the shape, which is quite, or the variation or the possibility of different shapes and sizes, but also very mild taste. And and a texture that for most people seems pleasant, not as hard and rubbiness as you often find in TVP products. I think we have about 12 different products now based on the same recipe, but with very different functionality. And if someone have a specific wish, we will do whatever we can to meet it and construct new dies, play with the process parameters and so on. We actually only have two raw materials for our TVPs, and it's yellow as a pea concentrate and a fava bean concentrate. That's a part of our philosophy to keep it as clean and as what we call it, the climate impact as low as possible. Apart from our own products, we have gone more and more into contract manufacturing, also with conventional raw materials delivered by the customer, and we see a growing interest for this kind of cooperation. Today we're quite confident with the future. We together with the contract manufacturing, we expect in a year or two to have used the available capacity we have right now. We have room for one extrusion line more. We have land besides that is ours, and we are allowed to build a new factory if we want to. Thanks for listening, and I hope you will have a great day, and I'm sure you're in good hands with Gilles and the rest of the team from Clextral. So thanks and bye from here.
If you're interested to know more about our company, which I hope you are, you're more than welcome to visit our homepage. It's called organicplantprotein.dk, and we also have a second one called plantmade.dk. At both pages you can find recipes, the history behind OPP, and you can also find our contact details. So please feel free to reach out if you have any question at all, and we will gladly try to answer them in the best way possible. I wish you all a great day, and sorry we couldn't be there with you. Take care. Bye.